S1 Armonia is compact and flexible. With S1 Armonia 2 groups, you can use capsules, pods and ground coffee. Installation of a machine is very easy. Fill in the tank with 3 liters of water and insert the provided water softener. Below the grid on top, you will find the thermostats to set water temperature for each delivery group. A dent on the knobs allows a sensitive and immediate regulation. S1 Armonia only needs electric connection. Just plug it in and it will be ready for use. Only at the first switching on, press and keep the start and the delivery buttons pressed together until water comes out from each group. To switch the machine on, press the start button again for at least 3 seconds until the touchpad lights up. Now select the coffee delivery kit you prefer. With S1 Armonia you can use coffee capsules, or replace the portafilter and adapt the group to deliver coffee pods. Unscrew and remove the shower block for coffee capsules. Tighten the suitable shower block for coffee pod. Place the pod into the filter and start the delivery. S1 Armonia is the ideal professional machine for those who want high-quality coffee, even with a limited consumption. Deliver a perfect espresso by using the ground coffee kit. Adapt the groups with a suitable shower block kit and replace the portafilters. Take the correct ground coffee dose and tamp it in the portafilter. Attach the portafilter to the group. Place the cup on the grid and press the delivery button. If you prefer a cappuccino, turn the steam knob and steam milk using the steam wand. The steam boiler is independent. You can deactivate it with a button boiler to save energy. Now, after daily use, you can put your S1 on standby mode.